guys, we are here in Palm Springs area, California, and man, we got a freezing cold storm blowing through right now. Really cold. Check out this mountains. Those are really cool. Look at that cloud cover pushed over the top there. Really cool. Yeah, it's like 50 degrees right now. 30-mile-an-hour winds. Pretty crazy. This is a place to get gas though, guys. Look at that. Not bad compared to Riverside, Anaheim, or Newport Beach. I'll tell you that. Big storm though. We're like getting the end of it here though. Looks like a little more towards Arizona, and it's blue skies.